All right, let's take it with Suyog Kulkarni, the IT, media and internet analyst at Reliance Securities, now joining in. Suyog, appreciate you taking your time out and speaking with us today at ET Now. So we have all the big core technology names that have come out with their numbers already. What do you make of the performance in the second quarter? The street also, in fact, today cheering some of the numbers that came in yesterday.
So hello Ruchi, you're right. So large phone names are already given their results out, and if you see the numbers of TCS and HCL Tech, we saw the modest miss on revenue growth front, but the underlying theme, the commentary on demand environment and deal pipeline remains quite strong for all of the IT names. And if you see the fresher hiring, the employee hiring, so all leading indicators for IT services growth looks quite strong. So it's a mixed set of numbers. Now names like Wipro and Infosys, they reported a strong revenue growth ahead of expectation, and very strong EBIT margin under when they're going under wage inflation cycle. So to continue, and as demand resilience is likely to continue, the second takeaway is that premium valuation for IT services names is likely to continue.
Having said that, Suyog, we have seen how second quarter is usually a strong quarter for various IT companies. Do you expect this current demand environment to persist in the times to come as well, and Q3 and Q4 will be even stronger than what we've seen this time around?
So the medium-term trajectory of demand environment is quite strong. Q3 is seasonally a weak quarter because of the furloughs in US and European geography. So I will be lookout what will be the deal wins during next quarter. But I expect deal wins and the commentary on demand environment is likely to remain strong in upcoming quarters also.
Okay, all right. On that note, Suyog, appreciate you taking your time out and speaking with us. That's, of course, the latest coming in on the IT sector earnings. We move on.